So Seedance 2.5 1080p just dropped and it solved the biggest problem for AI UGC ads. Take a look at this example and then I'm going to talk about why this is such a huge step forward and give you all of the resources completely free so you can create incredible AI UGC ads.
Everyone keeps asking what I changed about my skin. It's this thing. Red light therapy mask. 10 minutes a night, that's it. I know I look like a movie villain right now, but my dark spots are fading and I do it literally lying in bed. Laziest skincare I own. Obsessed.
So in this video, I'm going to show you why this is such a big step forward. On top of that, I'm going to show you step by step how to create this. And I'm going to give you this entire prompt pack completely for free because I've been testing this nonstop and I want to make sure you don't waste any tokens. So this prompt pack includes a guide and all of the examples of the prompts that you can just copy and paste so you can create incredible UGC ads. And by the way, we're going to be doing this all inside our Claude Code using the Higgsfield MCP. So I've been creating AI UGC ads for a while now. Now, one of the biggest issues we've had so far with AI models, AI video models generating these ads was the fact that character consistency was a huge problem, and also the length of the video that the AI models, the previous AI models were generating were usually 10 to 15 seconds and the quality wasn't that great. For the first time, Seedance 2.5 creates a 30-second ad completely from start to finish with the same character, with the same voice, with the same product, and everything is a natural ad. It looks like a natural ad, right? And that 30-second is a huge step forward. On top of that, the natural way that it generates the ads is absolutely incredible. So you can see right here, this looks like an actual skin, right? Before, you had an AI image or an AI video of a character and people's skins and everything looked perfect, right? These flaws are the things that make a video seem very real. And that's why actual UGC ads that are, or UGC, which stands for user generated content, which is incredibly popular. The reason why it's popular is because people connect with those imperfections. So again, for the first time, the quality of the 2.5 Seedance 2.5 1080p matches the realistic expectation or the reality of world and the reality of products and skins and human beings, right? Because those flaws exist, those flaws are all there. So that's why this is a huge step forward, not only because you can create an ad for 30-second log, which is perfect for short form content, but on top of that, the character stays the same, the voice stays the same, you don't have to stitch anything together, and it has those natural flaws that a normal human being would. So that being said, let's go ahead and walk through a few examples so that way you can see exactly what I'm talking about. And again, I'm going to show you step by step how you can generate these with that prompt pack that I just showed you inside Claude Code, but you can also generate this in a platform like the Higgsfield desktop version as well on the Higgsfield website. But anyway, so let's go ahead and walk through a few examples first of all. So the way to do this from Claude is I would suggest using the desktop app. This is the best way to take advantage of this. Obviously, we need to connect to Seedance 2.5, and right now I think it's only available in Seedance, from what I understand, the 1080p model. I could be wrong, but anyways, I've been using Seedance for a while now. It's the easiest way to connect and create these assets because they always have the most popular video models and image models available, and it works really well from your Claude and Claude Code through the Higgsfield MCP. So just quickly to connect the Higgsfield MCP, it's very simple. You just got to click on the plus button right here, go to connectors, go to manage connectors. And by the way, feel free to skip this if you have already added the MCP here. But for those of you who haven't, you're just going to go to add custom connector. You're just going to put a name here, something like Higgsfield or Higgs. And this remote MCP URL, go ahead and click on the link in the description. It should bring you over here to create an account. I think right now they're running a promotion. So if you create a new account, they give you 5 free generations with Seedance 2.5, which is pretty great for the 1080p. So go ahead and take advantage of that. So once you create your account, you're going to click on the link in the description again, and it's going to bring you directly right here. So you're just going to click on or just copy this MCP URL. So once you copy that, you're going to go back to your Claude and just paste this right here. So once you paste this, you're going to click on add. Mine's not going to do it because it's a server with this URL already exists because my MCP, Higgsfield MCP is already connected. But for you, it's going to take you to a new browser where it's just going to say, hey, allow Claude to connect to your Higgsfield MCP. You're just going to click on connect. And then when you come back, you will have your Higgsfield MCP connected and you're good to go. So just to double check, you can get out of this. I'm inside Claude Code, by the way, but you can use Claude as well. You can hover over the connectors and you can see that Higgsfield is toggled on. Okay, so that's how you can connect the Higgsfield MCP. But if you want to, let's say if you want to generate this inside the Higgsfield website, that's also very simple to do. You're just going to go to your video, click Seedance 2.5. And you can essentially pretty much, do the same thing over here. You can just add a reference image and you can put your prompt here. And then in the bottom, you can select the length, right? You can select whether it's 9:16 or 16:9. Obviously for UGC ads, it's for short form content. So you want to create it in 9:16 and there you go. So before you only had availability, you only had the ability to generate in 720p and now that 1080p is available. Okay, so that's how you can create this. All right, so now let's go ahead and walk through a few examples. And by the way, to get access to this prompt pack, so the Seedance 2.5 UGC ads pack, click on the link in the description. It says free community. So it's AI Workshop Lite. Click on join. Again, it's free. You're going to come to the classroom section, go to the YouTube resources, and you'll see the prompt packs are all here, including a bunch of other resources if you're interested in grabbing that as well. Okay, so that's how you can get access to the prompt pack, this one right here. All right, so now let's go ahead and let me show you an example. So for this particular one, right, so this one I already did. So let me show you what I did basically. So if I click on this, so it says create a 30-second UGC creator ad with the Higgsfield MCP for a fictional cloud soft oversized hoodie brand called Loft, right? Step one, product. So it's going to generate a product from scratch. By the way, this is like generating everything from scratch. I'm going to also show you how you can attach a reference of an existing image. So that way you can just create a UGC ad for that as well. So let me go ahead and show you this one. So this is exactly what I did. I just copied this, right? And then I came back here and pasted it. So the step one is generating the image. So it's going to generate a clean e-commerce product photograph of an oatmeal cream heavyweight oversized hoodie, thick soft fleece, visibly plush, neatly folded on a light linen surface. And this is what that, let me open that up. This is what that looks like. Okay, so this is this product image of this hoodie that it generated, this kind of cream oatmeal color. And then afterwards, so what it does is step two is creator. And it says unretouched casual iPhone front camera style product of a woman in her mid-20s, blonde hair and a claw clip. So this is where you can now feel free to change the person itself. So if you want it to be a male, you want it to be a female at an older age or whatever, this is where you can change those details. But this is just like a young girl in her mid-20s, blonde hair, minimal makeup, standing in front of a camera or holding an iPhone camera there. Step three is this is the video generation. So we're identifying, we're saying use the Seedance 2.5 model, right? And it's saying 19:16, 9:16, 1080p, duration 30 seconds. So audio, we're giving it audio and says continuous unedited 30-second vertical handheld photo selfie video on a single take with no cut. So this is where kind of we're describing the details of each shot, right? From 0 to 4 seconds, what it should do, from 4 to 11, 11 to 18, and 25 to 30. So we're actually describing the different scenes, but because it's able to create the full 30-second ad at once, it will look really good, right? It will look really cohesive and like a real actual product ad. So this is, by the way, this is the image of the creator, right? So this is the person, right? It's just this blonde girl, with the iPhone camera here. So we have on the step two, that's what we're creating. And then on step three, so if I go to the bottom here, so you'll see, so it's going to go ahead and say, I'll run the entire step Loft UGC pipeline exactly as spec. So product, blah, blah, blah. And now it's going to using the Higgsfield MCP, it's going to generate the image. And then also there it goes. It says Seedance 2.5, 9:16, 30-second ad. So this is going to take a couple of minutes, but the final product or the final ad looks really good. So let's go ahead and take a look at it. I'm just going to open this because I already downloaded this. You can take a look at this. So this was the previous one. Let's take a look at this one.
This is the hoodie everyone's been gate copying. Look how thick this is. Okay, first of all, it's like putting on a duvet. It's oversized, but it still has like a shape. See the drop shoulder? And the inside is the softest thing I own. I'm not exaggerating. I got the oat milk one. I already know I'm buying the gray.
Perfect, right? Look at how beautifully well done this ad is. I mean, you can see from start to finish, there's no weird cuts. There's no weird changes in the lip sync, the voice, the character consistency. Everything stays the same. And you can see it's kind of describing in a very natural way, or it's doing this in a very natural way, where the first is kind of like leaning forward towards the camera, introducing the product and then putting it on, right? And then the second, just like somebody would, looking at this nice little standing mirror, right? So holding the phone, everything looks very natural. And the movement of the phone, the way like the girl is talking, all of it looks exactly like a real person, right? And then also just kind of brings in the product, the inside of the product, showcases very natural way. I mean, everything looks very, very good. And same thing, again, those little imperfections, they're very, very important when it comes to generating these type of realistic UGC ads. So very well done from top to finish. So that's how simple it is to create this. Now, of course, if you want to create kind of like a, this was obviously generating from scratch. The same concept applies if you were to take an existing product, right? So let's go ahead and try this one inside the Higgsfield website there. So I have this screenshot of this random product, right? So this is these Rise Lion's Mane Focus Gummies, right? These are like these hard gummies, I guess. So let's say we attach this screenshot, right, of this product. So we can add this as a reference right here. So I'm just going to add that as a reference. So now I can add this as a reference. There you go. Now that that reference got added. So this time we're going to go ahead and select, let's see. Let's do like a mail one. It says, okay, I've attached. So this is the attached photo review, right? I've attached a photo of my product, created 30-second UGC creator for, with the Higgsfield MCP. So you can copy this and put it inside your Claude Code. Using the Higgsfield MCP, it will do the same thing. Or, like I said, I'm just going to copy all of this. I'm just going to change just a few things here. So let me paste this and change it. So that way it doesn't say Higgsfield MCP. Okay, so I said continuous edited 30-second vertical 9x16, same thing, of the attached product, right? Because we have the attached product. But this time I said a man in his late 20s, short dark hair, light stubble, charcoal hoodie, sits at his home desk and laptop, coffee mug behind him, a phone. So describing kind of the scene. And like I said, this time making it a male character rather than female. So let's go ahead and click on generate. So this is going to go ahead and I'm just going to click on generate here. This is going to take a couple of seconds here, or a good minute or so. So let's just give this a couple of minutes. All right. So as you can see, it finished the generation. So I'm going to play it here because the quality, I downloaded the videos here. You guys can hear it a lot better. So let me go ahead and play this.
So I used to hit a wall every single day at 2 p.m., like useless. These are Lion's Hem Focus Gummies. I take 2 with my coffee. That's the whole routine. They actually taste good, which surprised me. No jitters, no crash. I've cleared my whole list before lunch every day this week. Just run it for 1 week. That's all I'm saying.
Cool. So as you can see, it's very well made, same thing. And the product image, so let me double check to make sure the product looks exactly like that, and then it just make things up. Okay. So let me bring up the product. Yeah, perfect. Take a look at that. That's exactly what it is, right? Kind of it maintained the exact product details, kind of the black cap, the Rise Lion's Mane Focus Gummies, like everything exactly how it's supposed to be. And same thing, it maintained the character quality really well. Those imperfections, and in the background you have the coffee mug and a laptop. Looks like a very natural environment, right? So you can see how good the quality of these UGC ads are. And I promise you, if you put this, or if you're working with a client, like they will not be able to tell that. Nobody can tell a difference nowadays, especially with this model that just got released. And of course, the 1080p makes a huge difference as well for the quality of the video overall as well. So anyways, hopefully you guys found that helpful. I don't want to make this video too long. Check out all the links in the description that I talked about. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.